Hey everyone! Today, we're diving into the world of essential oils and how they can help you tackle pain naturally. If you're curious about how a few drops of nature's best can ease your discomfort, stick around because we've got some fantastic tips and tricks lined up. Essential oils aren't just for making your home smell amazing, they can actually be powerful allies in managing pain. We're going to explore some of the best essential oils for pain relief, how they work, and how you can use them effectively. Let's get started. First on our list is peppermint oil. This oil is like a cool breeze for your sore muscles. Peppermint contains menthol, which helps to relieve pain by providing a soothing, cooling effect. It's great for headaches, muscle pain, and even joint discomfort. Simply dilute a few drops with a carrier oil and apply it to your temples for headaches, or rub it onto sore muscles. It's refreshing and can really help you feel more comfortable. Next up is lavender oil. Lavender is renowned for its calming properties, but it's also great for easing tension and minor aches. Its soothing scent can help you relax, which is perfect if stress is contributing to your pain. You can use lavender oil in a diffuser to help with relaxation, or mix it with a carrier oil for a calming massage. It's a wonderful way to unwind and relieve those tight muscles. Moving on to eucalyptus oil. This oil is fantastic for respiratory issues and muscle pain. It has a refreshing menthol-like aroma that helps clear your sinuses and ease muscle tension. Add a few drops to a carrier oil and apply it to your chest or sore muscles. It's like a breath of fresh air for your body and can help you feel more at ease. Ginger oil is next on our list. It's particularly useful for reducing inflammation and arthritis pain. Ginger has been used for centuries to ease discomfort and is perfect for warming up and relaxing stiff muscles. Mix ginger oil with a carrier oil and massage it into the affected area. It's like a warm hug for your aching joints. Now let's create a simple DIY pain relief blend. Combine a few drops each of peppermint, lavender, eucalyptus, and ginger oils with a carrier oil like coconut or jojoba. Mix them together and apply where needed for a custom pain relief remedy. This blend combines the benefits of each oil, providing a powerful yet soothing experience. Just be sure to do a patch test first to ensure you don't have any sensitivities. Safety tips. Before we finish up, let's go over a few quick safety tips. Always dilute essential oils with a carrier oil before applying them to your skin. If you're pregnant or have any medical conditions, consult with your healthcare provider before using essential oils. And always do a patch test to check for any allergic reactions. And that's a wrap on our essential oils for pain relief. I hope you found these tips helpful and are excited to try out these natural remedies. Drop a comment below and let us know which essential oil is your favorite, or if you have any other natural remedies you'd like us to explore.